إذا السماء انفطرت.
When the sky breaks apart.
وإذا الكواكب انتثرت.
And when the stars fall scattering.
وإذا البحار فجرت.
And when the seas are erupted.
وإذا القبور بعثرت.
And when the contents of graves are scattered.
علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت.
A soul will then know what it has put forth and kept back.
يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم.
O mankind, what has deceived you concerning your Lord, the generous?
الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك.
Who created you, proportioned you, and balanced you.
في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك.
In whatever form He willed has He assembled you.
كلا بل تكذبون بالدين.
No, but you deny the recompense.
وإن عليكم لحافظين.
And indeed, appointed over you are keepers.
كراما كاتبين.
Noble and recording.
يعلمون ما تفعلون.
They know whatever you do.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Indeed, the righteous will be in pleasure.
وإن الفجار لفي جحيم.
And indeed, the wicked will be in hellfire.
يصلونها يوم الدين.
They will enter to burn therein on the day of recompense.
وما هم عنها بغائبين.
And never therefrom will they be absent.
وما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
And what can make you know what is the day of recompense?
ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
Then, what can make you know what is the day of recompense?
يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله.
It is the day when a soul will not possess for another soul power to do a thing, and the command, that day, is entirely with Allah.